Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to do something a bit different than what I'm normally doing, aka art videos. This is an art supply video because, as you might know, I was working on a collab with Lana and Nasreen, and we were sending fake art subscription boxes to each other. And I finally got my box. There might be a slight confusion in the next video because I've got that box last, but I'm filming it first, and it's all a bit, the mail didn't work as I wanted, but I finally have the box, and we all swapped art supplies, and I got the box, and I'm excited. I'm gonna cut it open now because I can't wait. And yeah, I have waited for too long, so I'm just gonna talk as I'm carefully opening the box and see what I've got. Before any of you think we're doing professional art supply boxes, no, that's not the case. We don't have enough money and resources for that. We just send each other one box and pretended to be like professional box person or whatever you would call that. It is one box and I don't know what's in there. That's the tricky part. It's a surprise. Okay, carefully open it. The stickers, by the way, that's just my address. Oh, it's so full. Why are all the boxes so full? Oh my god. There's a butterfly in it. It's so beautiful. Okay, let's see. Why is there a butterfly in it? That's so awesome. And the print, a super high quality print. It looks like watercolor, but it's on photo paper. Oh my god, that is pretty. And I'm seeing the first description already. I think I will read that a bit later. Fuck. Okay, I've turned the box around now because I had a little accident with the camera. Anyway, let's see what's in there. This one is a letter, and I think I should open that later. That's what I'm gonna do. Now, what is in there? I'm afraid to open those. I hope I don't break it. Oh no, I can just pull it out. So this here is a brush. Never seen anything. Czech's art company, it says. And on the description, it says squirrel and synthetic brush. Okay. Well, never tried squirrel, but it looks super cool and it feels quite nice. So yeah, it feels like a squirrel. Then there's professional quality masking tape. Oh yeah, that's what I need. I have a few different brands of masking tape, but not everyone works with the same kind of paper. So that's something you can try out. I definitely need that. And washi tape. Oh, that's so cute. Does it say amazing and thank you? Well, that's what I think of the box. It's amazing. Thank you. Okay, what else? I think I found the food. Yes, I found the food. Can I open the food? rip it open with my teeth. Bio Veggie Hearts. I've never heard of them. This is something you can try. Time for a taste video. Yeah. Katjes! Oh, those are some of my favorites. I think bought like 5 packets when I was in Berlin. Quality German food, I tell you. I'm not sponsored, but Katjes is best. And they're also vegan or vegetarian, I don't know. These are vegan. And I don't really know what to do with the rest of those. Oh, there's some more food. I'm just gonna open the food before I go on with the art supplies. That's how I roll. Oh, Lindt chocolate. Those are Swiss, but I think you get them anywhere in all German-speaking countries. I haven't tried either of those. What was the other one? I think I had the strawberry ones. So these are, they have to be tasted. I mean, everything has to be tasted. I'm gonna eat them. And this is yogurt, strawberry, raspberry vanilla. This doesn't look like a raspberry, that's a strawberry. But it's raspberry vanilla. Oh boy, that's a lot of food. And I can't wait to try it. Here's something else in bubble wrap. Oh, cool, you know. Oh, are those are the water soluble pencils. I'm finally holding one in my hand. It's super heavy. It feels amazing, and I think it doesn't have any filling material either. It's just pure pencil and no wood or anything. It does say Koh-i-Noor Progresso Aquarelle Graphite Pencil. And on the extra masking tape, thin washi tape. Oh, so there's extras and there's non-extras. Oh boy, there's so much in there. Those are the Staedtler erasable pencils. Oh, maybe that's, yeah, I think I asked if I could have some like these. And I kind of forgot because I also included, I included watercolor pencils, and now it's all a bit confusing, but oh, I'm really excited to try those out. That's gonna be a very long, how do you call it? Swatching video. Yeah, I'm gonna swatch them all. And now there's, oh, graphene. I don't speak French, and I think most of you would pronounce the brand as Arches, but I think it's Arche because it's French, and I'm not sure what to say because either version is making me kind of uncomfortable. But the paper is great. I kind of suspect that this paper costs more than what we all spend on our boxes because it's so expensive. But I'm gonna trust Lana with this one, that she didn't spend too much money. I hope. I trust her in that. And the last one, I'm gonna put the box away. The last one is a little tin that looks like an old radio. I hope you can see it. Yeah, I think so. And oh, are those self-filled watercolors? Schminke Horadam and White Nights, Neutral Black. So it's a primary color set, and it's even magnetic. It sticks to the. Look, I can shake it and it's not falling out. Oh, a travel tin can set. Travel watercolors. Okay, verdict. it was an absolutely fantastic box. Everything in there what I could possibly need. And thank you very, 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 very much, Lana. It is super lovely. And actually I just want to stop the video now and film the swatching because I'm dying to try those out. Yeah, I think that's all I have to say for now, but time to swatch it. Bye!